All right, so I have 4 minutes. Hopefully, I can capture this in 4 minutes. So for this one, I'm not gonna start a new drawing. We're just gonna continue from here. So I'm gonna control V to paste that drawing into this. So we have that. Okay. So for this, to draw this, we have a couple circles here and 2 tangents. So the first step here is to change to my center line. So I'm gonna start by moving down to my center line. So I click here to activate my center line. Activate my center line. Then I type L to activate my line command, enter. For my base point, I click here, left click here to specify my first point. Then I engage my orthogonal mode. Yeah. And this line should be 80, should be 90. Let this be 120, 120, enter, enter. Oh, I realize my line type spacing is not visible. So I'm gonna click on this line, then type LTS, line type scale, enter. Then I'm gonna enter a new value for this, a value of probably 10, 1, 0, enter. And the line is now spaced. These are no more visible. I don't like this line color, so I'm gonna change it. All right, let's stay for now. We don't really have time. All right, MA. I use match property, MA, match property, enter. Click on this line, touch that, and it changes to that. Now we have couple of circles here. Probably I should have drawn that line 90 degrees. So L enter, start here. Let this line be 90, 90, enter, enter. All right. My next step is to draw our circles. So for that, a circle of radius, one radius is 20, one is 30. So C for circle, well, first I must change from my center line to my construction line or my outline. Click outline. I then type C for circle, enter. Specify the center, I left click where I want the center to be, left click, then pull out. For radius, I enter 30, 30, enter. That is done. Hit space bar to reactivate. Again, left click where I want the center to be. For this, I'm gonna type 20, 20, enter. Hit space bar or the enter key to restart center. I click here for my second center, left click there. Then I move out, radius of 10, I type 1, 0, and I must click enter. Space bar again to reactivate. Click here, left click here, go out, I type 2, 0, then I must click enter for that. Yeah? Now, to generate my tangent, I click line, L for line, enter. I then hold down the shift, right click, hold down the shift key, then right click on the mouse simultaneously, then go down to tangent. So I click here. Again, I hold down the shift key, hold it down, then right click on the mouse and go down to tangent. Then I touch this, then escape. Space bar to reactivate line, hold down the shift key again, right click, go up to tangent, touch this, hold down the shift key, right click, tangent, touch this point, and then enter. And there we have it. So we have a minute to go. Now I could draw a vertical center line here. So I need to change to my center line layer. So I click here, line L, enter.